Hi everyone. I believe you are curious about waiting what we will learn next. And the next topic is most interesting and useful for fresher and experience. Everyone is useful topic. Okay. The topic is programming language. Yeah, we have already learn about NABAP. What we will learn next is in SAP. No, it's not SAP environment. It's an open source language. Okay, not MNs, not only used for SAP system. It's still if you learn the language, if you can use the theory concept rule because the language is used to bridge between the SQL and SAP. Okay, someone exit to interested or someone find the language name. I have one another clue. It's an older language, but till now it's used for multinational companies. So I called it in golden age. Okay, the language was not compared to another language because it's not up by a little. It's not up. It's not C, not C plus plus. It's not Python. Okay. Can you find me this language? Okay, I can open to send. The language name is Java. Yes, Java, if you learn the Java, multiple companies hire freshers in Java. Okay. Also, if you know myself, my already experienced candidate, but why I learn Java? Yeah, if you have already known the SAP app, if you learn the Java, you have insert at times, sometimes you can change the role in Java developer. It's compared to ABAP, the SAP ABAP to Java developer. It's useful compared to another language in the SAP to if you change the SAP ABAP developer to Java developer compared to ABAP, it's a lot of openings, hikes, everything is compared to SAP. It's a huge opportunities open to say. It's a huge opportunities compared to SAP ABAP. Okay? If you are fresher, is super because you join start with Java, you can next move the Golang or any language. It's easy to understand the syntax and keywords. Okay, I believe it's helpful for you if you're ready to learn. Get ready to your notes and pen and make up your core level knowledge of problem solving. And also, I have started in the time. I have not only provided the Java. Okay, I have side by side increase your analytical skills. So I start my videos in aptitude. Okay, because the aptitude is most important compared to sometimes programming language because some non-CS students strong in aptitude, they are easily hire the multinational company HR because HR and technical team sometimes believe in the analytical thinking is if you are perfect, the team directly hire in some colleges. I see my personal experience. If you are expect experience like if you are over knowledge in 10 of 10 in aptitude, if you don't have knowledge in program, they will teach you. Okay, because the knowledge of until thing is most important compared to sometimes, not every time, because a lot of companies need programming language, but some companies are need in analytical thinking. Okay, and next we will learn the complete career in Java basics to advanced. I believe you will be waiting in the next videos. Thank you. We will learn together.